Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Vivek and today we'll create a grocery list using React. If you look at this project, we got a simple grocery list. In the header, it has the title and the number of the item, which is 4. Then in each list item, we can increase or decrease the quantity, and we can also remove the item. When the items are removed, the total item should be updated in the header. We will use very basic React to build this project, including concepts such as components, props, state, and function. If you are not comfortable, I suggest you to watch my previous videos on those topics. I have added the link to the playlist below. Before starting the project, please like and subscribe to my channel, Code with Vivek. I upload new videos every Sunday, Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. UK time. Also, I want to let you know that I have created playlists on my channel. They are organized by topic to help you find what you need easily. Check them out and start exploring. Now, let's get started by setting up the React app using Vite. Vite is a modern tool for building web applications. It helps developers run projects very fast during development and creates optimized files for deployment. It is commonly used with React for better speed and performance. In order to create React applications, we also need Node and NPM. If you haven't installed them yet, make sure you download and install them by visiting the website. Then, create any folder and open them in your favorite text editor. I'm using VS Code as my text editor and using React as my folder name. Open the terminal by clicking View, Terminal. Here, type npm create vite at latest. Add a project name. Select React as a framework. Then select JavaScript. No. Select Yes to install with npm and start now. Once done, press Ctrl and click the link to open the project in the new tab. So this is our first React app created with the help of Vite. If we look at the project source code, we can see JSX files like app.jsx or main.jsx. So what exactly is the JSX file? JSX is a syntax used in React that lets you write HTML-like code inside JavaScript. It makes creating and understanding user interface easier by combining structure and logic in one place. For example, let me open app.jsx. This looks like HTML, but it is written inside JavaScript. Everything inside the return is JSX. This h1 tag looks like HTML, but is actually a JavaScript. The expression count is a JSX expression which allows dynamic data to appear in the UI. JSX also lets us use attributes like class name and event handlers like onClick directly in the markup. There are three important rules to follow when working on the JSX. Return a single root element. This means inside the return, when there are multiple elements like div, h1 tag, another div, p tag, etc., we must wrap them in an empty tag which is called fragments or in a div tag. Otherwise, we get the error. So either wrap them in the div tag or in the fragment. The second rule is to close all the tags. For example, in HTML5, we can use image tag without closing. But in JSX, we must always close them like this. The third rule is camel case most of the things. For example, in HTML, we write class and give a class name. Since class is a reserved word in JavaScript, we must write class name in a camel case. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll create a component. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.